My dog is absolutely obsessed with playing with the ball, but like most animals, he needs someone to throw it and play with him. So I was sent this interactive one for my review, and he's already jumping and ready for it. So I love that not only is it the ball, it actually has this rope part because he loves playing tug of war, and this is going to make it a lot easier for me to take the ball away when he needs a little bit of a break. So this is really like, so you just twist this open here, and then you have this power button. So we're just going to turn that on. I think I have to hold it. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. And then the ball's just going to spin. So this is rechargeable. It does come with the cable, and you actually just charge it on the other side. So as you can see, this just moves on its own, and he is clearly super excited. So let's go ahead and get... And so now, and also having that cord there, it's going to be easier for him to grab it and pick it up and go ahead and play with it. And of course, he is gone. This is going to be his new favorite toy. I can see his whole head is shaking while he's playing with this. I love that it has that movement, so it doesn't have to be me constantly playing and throwing the ball. He can just do that on his own. Let me see if I can even just... Come on, buddy. This is so awesome. I feel like I'm never going to be able to get it back. It's definitely his now.